How to make own alias commands. If you mastered the alias commands, I make sure your speed in drawing will increase. I guarantee you. Now let's try the rectangle commands. Type 44. Next we try the line commands. Type 4 for line commands. Next sample is the polyline. Type 45 for polyline. Next sample match prop commands. Type 55 for match prop. That's some example of our alias commands. Next compared what you think it's good. Default alias command. Let's try copy commands. C. O. Enter. That's sample of default alias commands. Okay, we try the your own alias. Now, let's try your own alias commands. Use same command. Copy. 2 for copy commands. And enter. So what do you think for making own alias? It's as good for you? If good, continue this tutorial. Before we will continue, I just have a little ask for you. Please support this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share videos. And comment in below. Thank you very much. Okay, let's proceed guys. How to make own alias commands. Go to Express tool. And click. And go to Tool, click. And click the command alias editor. All alias commands. If you want make alias commands, click Add. If you want to delete the alias, click Remove. You want to edit your alias commands, click Edit. Now let's try to add alias. Click Add. Just write what commands you want to change the alias. Just write a new alias what you want. Now let's to make a new alias commands. I will try to change the alias of the line. Type line. Click the alias box, and put the new alias. And click OK. Now we have made a new line alias. Click Apply and yes, OK. Now let's try the new alias of our line. Press number 4, if we show the line command. Now I have made our new alias. This is what I did alias.command. It's up to you if you want to copy my alias command. All my alias is in one area only, so that my hand doesn't move too much and doesn't take so much. Your lower hand is just relaxed. Almost your fingers are just working. When you have mastered the alias commands, I make sure your speed in drawing will increase. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you learned something in my video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell button to update my new video tutorial.